Bitcoin holding support and pumping 7.5% on the day. XRP breaking out, about to start the next altcoin season. Are we going to see a $30,000 Bitcoin? Are we going to see an altcoin season? We're going to be diving into the charts today, so make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications because we are bringing you the juiciest cryptocurrency updates here on YouTube. And first of all, yes, I am still holding, as you can see, the long trade from the level that we gave in the New York Open live stream in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, and I am not closing it yet. Bitcoin, as we know, is coming up to the key area of resistance, that $28,000 to $30,000 level, which, if we're going to get a big pullback, guys, it is going to be from that area. However, we are seeing some bullish signs as we continue to consolidate in this range. So here's what I am looking for if we want to see higher Bitcoin prices. First of all, when we came down and held support from the key Casper Crew level, we saw bullish absorption. What is bullish absorption? These are where the big players are defending the level of support. We saw big money step in to not let Bitcoin come any lower. How do we know? Because we saw right here, based on our CVD indicator, that retail traders were opening up massive amounts of short trades. We could tell because the CVD indicator is getting lower, and we also saw open interest increasing, showing us that new traders were opening up short, and yet the price was continuing to make higher lows. This is called bullish absorption, and it led to a big move to the upside, back to the top of the range. Now that we are at the top of the range, you can see that what used to be very key resistance right here is currently acting as our support. So if we want to see higher Bitcoin prices, what we need right now is we need to put in a higher high. We need to take out these highs that we put in last week, and this will continue the uptrend. Very, very locally right now, we are seeing some bullish absorption happening as well. We can see that as the price came down toward the VWAP, as we are making higher lows locally right here, we are seeing once again the CVD getting lower. We are seeing people trying to short this, and yet the price continues to get higher. So this is a pretty good bullish sign. The key level we need to be aware of right now is going to be this $28,000 level. If we put in another lower low, then unfortunately, we can expect to move all the way back down to the low of the range, around $27,000 at least. If we take out the low at the Casper Crew level at 26,555, then unfortunately, guys, I will be looking for more downside. Now, again, trading is not about predictions. It's about creating if-then scenarios. This is how we're going to take advantage of the volatility. If the price comes to the Casper Crew level, and if I see certain confirmations, then I will enter a long trade, right? This is how we need to approach the charts to avoid getting wrecked. This is how we get into long trades in the Casper Crew VIP Discord from the exact bottom. And by the way, if you want to join the community where we give the levels every single day, we do 3 live streams walking you through the live price action, looking for those live trades, giving you our levels every single day. Not a signals group, guys, but an educational group, patreon.com/Jason Casper. Also, to take advantage of trading on ByBit with 0% limit fees, to take advantage of this juicy volatility without letting those fees cut into your profits, click the link in the description. Also, guys, make sure to only click the link for ByBit if you know how to trade, okay? If you deposit $100, you get a month free of our trading bot, which will trade your plans for you. It's a great tool. Try it out for free. If you don't know how to trade and you want to learn, check out the courses at jasoncaspertrading.com. Even if you don't even know what a candlestick is, this will teach you from point A to point B how to come to a blank chart, how to have a plan, and how to use a strategy and risk management to be profitable over time. Okay, so these are the key levels for Bitcoin that we need to be aware of. Let's talk about XRP, because right now XRP is putting in a higher high on the weekly time frame. And a lot of people are saying, look, the court case is going to be ending soon. If XRP wins the case, this could kick off a massive altcoin season for a whole bunch of other altcoins. And that makes a lot of sense, because if Ripple is not a security and it is a commodity, well, that means other altcoins are in the same boat, and we will probably see these things pump. Now, you guys know me. I'm a technical trader. I believe the technicals always precede the fundamentals. That is why I have been so bullish on Bitcoin since we gave the long setup in the Casper Crew VIP Discord from literally the exact bottom at $15,450, giving the long setup from $16,300. And you know, I've been publicly bullish since the end of December on this YouTube channel. I was calling for 20K when everyone said I was crazy. Was calling for 25K when everyone said I was crazy. It's because the technicals always precede the fundamentals, right? And now we're starting to see the Fed pivot, banks collapse, all this kind of stuff. Well, XRP right now, objectively speaking, this is a very, very bullish chart. And what we want to see as we're trading in this channel right here is a strong weekly candle close that actually it closes above this channel. And the place I would like to see actually the candle close would be right around here. We have a massive support resistance flip at about 66 cents, 66, 67 cents. If Ripple can close a weekly candle above this previous high, we now have confirmed bullish market structure, which means we can look to buy the dip, right? We don't want to buy the dip in a downtrend because we're in a downtrend. But if we put in a low and then a high and then a higher low and then a higher high, that is officially now bullish market structure, and we can look to buy the dip. When we look at market Cipher B for XRP, we are seeing that we are clearly breaking out of this bearish trend that we were in, printing a momentum wave above the trend line, an official breakout right now. Actually, it's technically unconfirmed. No, it's a confirmed breakout of the trend line on market Cipher B, money flow curving to the upside. This, to me, buy the dip kind of mode. So what are we going to be looking for? First of all, we want a strong weekly close, and then we want to long a key area of support. Now, if we come up to this box, look at this beautiful confluence. We have the Fibonacci golden pocket from the low to a projected new high, support resistance flip, and then we come back down to the channel median, where in this case, it's also a beautiful support resistance flip, a diagonal support resistance flip, a horizontal support resistance flip, and it's the Fibonacci golden pocket. And that, in my opinion, could make for a beautiful opportunity to get into Ripple at around 44 cents, where I would be looking for not new highs, but potentially all the way up to like $1.25. This is a great opportunity, in my opinion, especially if the news comes out bullish and we get a big pump, reject from resistance, come back down to support to enter. There would be two major areas I would be looking to enter on Ripple. Number one would be the median of this trend line. Number two would actually be if we pulled the fib from a higher low that we put in, and just coming back down to retest the volume profile from this entire, oh wow, that's a beautiful compliment, but the volume profile from this little zone of consolidation right here. Okay, we've got a nice high volume node / golden pocket at around 49 cents. So the two major buy zones I would be looking at for Ripple if we get a strong weekly close and we're looking to buy the dip. Area number one would be 49 cents. Area number two would be around 42 cents. Now, I do believe that if Ripple does continue to pump, and especially if the court rules that Ripple is not a security, we will see a lot of other altcoins pump, which means, personally for me, and this is not financial advice, but if you're holding bags of altcoins, you might want to set some take profits on those, in my opinion. All right. So that's it for today's video, guys. May you all be blessed in the name of Jesus the Messiah, even if you're not religious. Pray everyone's super blessed, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace.